Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with 10 different methods. These methods are tried and true, so you can rest assured that they will help you make money. So if you are looking for a way to make some extra cash, be sure to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now let's dive in. 1. Sell digital products. In today's digital age, there are more opportunities than ever to make money online. One popular way to do this is by selling digital products, from ebooks and online courses to software and audio files. There is a vast array of items that can be sold online, and with the right marketing strategy, it's possible to make a significant income from digital sales. In fact, many YouTube creators have used this method to make over $100,000 in a single year. So if you are looking for a way to make money online, selling digital products is definitely worth considering. With the right approach, you could be making a six-figure income in no time at all. 2. Start a blog and sell advertising. If you are looking to make some serious money online, then starting a blog is definitely a good option. By creating a popular blog and selling advertising space on it, you can easily make your first $100,000. Of course, it takes a lot of hard work to build up a large enough following to make this happen, but it's certainly achievable if you are willing to put in the effort. Once you have a significant amount of traffic coming to your site, you can start selling ad spaces and make some serious cash. So if you are ready to make money online, then starting a blog is definitely a way to do it. Number 3, create an online course. You've seen the ads before, make money online by taking our course. They always seem too good to be true. But is it really possible to make a significant amount of money by taking an online course? The answer is yes, if you do it right. Here's how to create an online course that can make you your first $100,000. The first step is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that you know people are willing to pay for. It's important to choose a niche that isn't too crowded, as this will make it harder to stand out. Once you have settled for a topic, the next step is to create high-quality content that will engage and educate your audience. This means including plenty of multimedia elements such as videos, infographics, and helpful diagrams. It's also important to make sure your course is updated regularly, as this will show your students that you are committed to providing them with the latest information. Finally, you need to market your course effectively. This means creating a sales page that clearly outlines the benefits of taking your course and using social media and email marketing to reach potential students. If you can do all of this, then there's no reason why you can't make your first $100,000 from selling an online course. 4. Use affiliate marketing to promote other people's products. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale, affiliate marketers can earn a significant income. One woman who used affiliate marketing to make her first $100,000 was Jennifer Warner. She began by signing up for affiliate programs with companies that she was already familiar with, such as Amazon and ClickBank. She then created blog posts and social media posts that promoted the products she was promoting. Through her hard work and dedication, she was able to make a full-time income from affiliate marketing. If you are looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing is definitely worth considering. Who knows, it could be the next success story. 5. Offer consulting services. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Or maybe you are looking for a full-time income? Either way, offering consultant services can be a great way to earn money. And the best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a computer and internet connection. There are many different types of consulting services you can offer. For example, you could offer social media marketing advice, search engine optimization tips, or even web design tips. The sky is the limit, and with so many businesses and entrepreneurs looking for ways to improve their online presence, there's no shortage of potential clients. If you are thinking about offering consulting services, there's no time like the present. With a little effort, you could easily make $100,000 or more per year. So what are you waiting for? Start today and make some serious money. 6. Create and sell software products. In today's digital world, there are many ways to make money online. One option is to create and sell software products. This can be a great way to earn a significant income, as software products often sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars each. Of course, creating a high-quality software product requires significant efforts and expertise. However, if you have the necessary skills, creating and selling software products can be a very lucrative business venture. In fact, with the right approach, it's possible to make over $100,000 per year from selling software products. So if you're looking for a way to make some serious money online, creating and selling software products is certainly worth considering. 7. Sell physical products online. If you're looking for a way to make a lot of money online, selling physical products is a great option. E-commerce is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for a good reason. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it's easy to set up an online store and start selling. By selling physical products online, you can reach a global audience of potential customers, and you can do it without spending a lot of money on advertising or brick-and-mortar storefronts. In addition, e-commerce provides an efficient way to fulfill orders and process payments. And best of all, you can start small and scale up as your business grows. So if you are looking for a way to make serious money online, selling digital products is a great option. With a little effort, you can easily make over $100,000 per year from your e-commerce business. 8. Offer your skills as a freelance writer, editor, or designer. If you've got a knack for writing, editing, or design, you can make a decent living freelancing. In fact, many people earn a full-time income from offering their skills as freelance writers, editors, and designers. And with the e-commerce boom, there's never been a better time to get started. There are a few things you need to know in order to be successful as a freelance writer, editor, or designer. First, you need to know your niche. What kind of writing, editing, or design do you specialize in? Once you know your niche, you can start marketing your services to businesses and individuals who need your particular skill set. Second, you need to be able to build strong relationships with clients. This means being professional, responsive, and delivering quality work on time. If you can do all of these things, you will be well on your way to making $100,000 as a freelance writer, editor, or designer. 9. Manage social media for businesses. If you are good at social media and have a large following, you could make a lot of money by managing social media accounts for businesses. Businesses need someone to post content, interact with customers, and grow their following. An experienced social media manager can easily make $100,000 per year. If you're interested in making money by managing social media accounts, the first step is to create a portfolio of your work. This will show potential customers what you are capable of and help them decide if you are the right fit for this business. Once you have a few happy clients, word will quickly spread and you will be able to command a higher salary. If you are ready to start making money as a social media manager, there's no time like be present. 10. Create an app. Anyone with a great idea for an app knows that the real challenge is turning that idea into a reality. With the right approach, though, it is possible to make your app dream a reality and to make a lot of money in the process. There are countless examples of apps that have gone on to make their creators millions of dollars, and there is no reason why your app couldn't do the same. Of course, there is no guarantee of success when it comes to making money from apps. However, the potential rewards are significant enough that it's definitely worth considering if you have a great app idea. So if you are looking for a way to make some extra cash or even start your own business, why not give app development a try? Who knows, you could end up making more money than you ever thought possible. By taking the time to create a well-designed and user-friendly app, you can make $100,000 or more from your investment. So if you have an excellent app idea, don't wait any longer. Thank you for watching my video about how to make your first $100,000 online. You've just seen 10 different money-making ideas that can help you reach this financial milestone. From selling physical products to managing social media accounts and creating apps, there is something for everyone here. But no matter which option you choose, it's important to remember that success takes hard work and dedication. By putting in the effort, you can make your first $100,000 online and even more. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like it. I have plenty of helpful tips to make money online. Thanks for watching, and until the next time.